Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I make Fritos pie for my 5 children. If you're a busy person like me, then this video is for you because this meal comes in handy on a busy weeknight. Okay, first we're going to start by chopping up 1 medium onion. Of course, after you peel your onion first, do not forget to peel your onion. Okay, now we're gonna chop our onion. Guys, what's one way to prevent your eyes from tearing while cutting onions? Because during this process, if you can take a look at my face right now, I was crying. I was in tears. So comment down below and let me know some tips and tricks that I can do to prevent myself from crying. Now that we have our onions all chopped, let's place these in a bowl and set them aside for our next step. In this step, we're going to take our ground beef and get ready to start to brown it. I'm just breaking mine up to more manageable pieces so it's easier to brown and ground up for me. I am using 2.5 pounds of ground beef. So if you're feeding more than 7 people, I would suggest to go up 1.5 pounds or 1 pound maybe. Remember that onion we set aside? Okay, we're going to grab that and toss it in halfway through our browning process. A great thing about this recipe is that you don't have to use ground beef. It tastes great with ground chicken and ground turkey. Now we're going to just finish browning the rest of our meat until we no longer see any pink. Take 1 cup of taco seasoning mix and put that on your meat. Add a 1/2 cup of water to the meat. I just want to add that for people that are trying to watch their blood pressure, go ahead and use lower sodium taco seasoning mix. Now you want to take your taco seasoned meat and go ahead and sprinkle as much as you want over the top of your Fritos scoops. I am feeding 7 people off this meal, so I am going to load mine up with a lot of meat. Get these bellies full. I will not over exaggerate it to you. This is just a perfect meal for a busy weeknight. Especially if you have multiple children, this meal comes in handy and is delicious and filling. So far, if you like how this dish is looking, take a moment and give me a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy recipes like this. This is the fun part. Now we're going to take our cheese and go over the top with it because we're going to get ready to bake this bad baby in the oven on 400 for 10 minutes or until the cheese is melted beautifully like this. Another thing that I love about this dish, you can top it with whatever you want. Here I'm using some cotija cheese. I'm using shredded lettuce. Then I'm going to add some thick chunky salsa on top. And then I'm going to add some smashed avocado. And then my favorite, a dollop of daisy to put this recipe all together. It is great. The time has come. Let's give this dish our first try. Get a scoop of everything. Fritos didn't lie when they said that scoops are the best for dipping because I was able to get everything on my scoops. I love this dish, and if you made it to the end of this video, go ahead and subscribe and give me a like and comment below if you are willing to try it or if you already have and what do you use to top it.